This is a balance 600 gram and 10 milligram capacity, which is connected. It has cells here, 2 cells, and then there is a power adapter. You can connect to the power also. You can use it without power. There is one power here adapting. Now this chamber is just like this. It will be fitted two backside parts on top, and we have a sliding here. One pointer is there, one sliding hole. One we slide it on the top, and then it goes to the bottom. Then we press it and fix it to the bottom. Similarly, we fix the same, both of them. Then we place it here, and then this top is placed. It's very easy to use. You can hold it, switch on. We can switch on, and then there is a mode selection, and you can go with the grams and other tier. You can weigh anything. It comes, and then weight is very easy. It's a backlit balance, and then the weight is shown as 6.3. Here it comes 0.01, 0.01 accuracy is the balance. Very easy to use, power adapter and all. Please visit the website and our email. You can send us an email, abron01@gmail, and subscribe to our channel. Please visit our website. We have a lot of balances. Thank you very much.